Confusing words, rhyming words, and word pairs in English. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we teach simple English. Learning English can be challenging, especially when it comes to words that sound similar or have similar spellings. In this video, we'll explore 3 types of words that often confuse English learners, which are confusing words, rhyming words, and word pairs. We'll break down 10 examples of each, providing clear explanations and example sentences to help you master them. Let's get started. Section 1. Confusing words. These words are often confused due to similar spellings or pronunciations. Here are 10 perfect examples. 1. Accept and accept. Accept means to receive something. For example, I accept your invitation, meaning that I have received your invitation and I will be coming. Except, which means to exclude. Example sentence. I like all vegetables except Brussels sprouts, meaning excluding. 2. Bare and bare. Bare means without clothes. Example sentence. The tree was bare of leaves, meaning the tree did not have any leaves left on it. Bear means a type of animal. Example sentence. I saw a bear in the woods, means he saw an animal in the woods, which is a bear. 3. Fair and fair. Fair means just. Example sentence. The judge tried to be fair in her decision, meaning the judge was just. Fair means the cost of something. Example sentence. The fare for the taxi ride was high, meaning the cost of the taxi was high. 4. And 4. 4 is a number. For example, I have 4 siblings, meaning a number. 4 is used when you are in support of something. Example sentence. I'm voting for the Democratic candidate, meaning in support of. 5. No and no. No means to be aware of. Example sentence. I know the answer, meaning aware. No is a negative response. Example sentence. No, I don't like coffee, meaning negative response. 6. Sea and sea. Sea is a large body of water. Example sentence. I love swimming in the sea, means that you like swimming in an open body of water. See means to perceive with the eyes. Example sentence. I see the sunset every evening, meaning perceive, or I look at the sunset every evening. 7. Deer and deer. Deer is a type of animal. Example sentence. I saw a deer in the forest, meaning he saw an animal in the forest, which is a deer. Dear means beloved. Example sentence. You are dear to me, meaning beloved. 8. Hear and hear. Hear means to perceive sound. Example sentence. I can hear the music, meaning perceive sound. Here means in this place. Example sentence. Put the book here on the table, meaning in this place. 9. Plain and plain. Plain means simple or flat. Example sentence. The plain landscape was boring, meaning landscape was simple. Plane is a type of aircraft. Example sentence. I'm flying on a plane tomorrow, meaning aircraft. 10. By and by. By means near or next to. Example sentence. The book is by the author, meaning near or next to. Bye is a way of saying goodbye. Example sentence. See you later. Bye, meaning goodbye. Section 2. Rhyming words. These words have the same ending sound. Here are some perfect examples. 1. Cat and hat. Example sentence. The cat wore a hat. Here we have both words ending with the at sound. Cat, hat. 2. Dog and log. Example sentence. The dog sat on a log. Both words end with the OG sound, making them fall under rhyming words. Dog. And log. 3. Rain and pain. Example sentence. The rain caused me pain. Here, as you can see, both words end with the ain sound. Rain, pain. 4. Day and play. Example sentence. I play outside every day. Both these words end with the I sound. Day, play. 5. Moon and spoon. 5. Moon and spoon. Example sentence. The moon was shining with a spoon. Do you see where both words are making the same ending sound? Yes. They both end with the oon sound. 6. Car and star. Example sentence. I saw a car and a star. Here, both words end with the R sound. Car and star. 7. Boy and toy. Example sentence. The boy played with a toy. Both words end with the oi sound. Boy, toy. 8. Sit and kit. Example sentence. Please sit down and use the kit. We can see that both words end with the it sound. Sit and kit. 9. Bike and hike. Example sentence. I love to ride my bike and go on a hike. Both words end with the ike sound. Bike and hike. Section 3. Word pairs. These words are often confused due to similar spellings or meanings. Here are some examples. 1. Its and its. Its means belonging to it. Example sentence. The cat chases its tail, meaning belonging to it. Its means it is. Example sentence. It's a beautiful day today, meaning it is. 2. There and there. There means belonging to them. Example sentence. Their car is red, meaning that the car belongs to them. There means in that place. Example sentence. Put the book over there, meaning in that place. There means they are. Example sentence. They're coming over tonight, meaning they are coming. 3. 2, 2, and 2. 2 means in the direction of. Example sentence. I'm heading to the store, meaning direction. 2 is a number. Example sentence. I have 2 dogs, meaning a number. 2 means also. Example sentence. I'm going to the party too, meaning also. 4. Affect and effect. Affect means to influence. Example sentence. The rain will affect the parade, meaning influence. Effect means as a result. Example sentence. The effect of the rain was devastating, meaning result. 5. Whose and whom. Whose means who is. Example sentence. Who's going to the movies? Meaning who is. Whom is the object of who. Example sentence. To whom should I address this letter? Meaning the object of who. 6. Accept and accept. Accept means to receive something. Example sentence. I accept your invitation. Meaning receive. Accept means excluding. Example sentence. I like all vegetables except Brussels sprouts. Meaning excluding. 7. Insure and insure. Insure means to protect against. Example sentence. I insure my car against accidents, meaning to protect. Insure means to make certain. Example sentence. I ensure that the door is locked, meaning make certain. 8. Discrete and discrete. Discrete means separate and distinct. Example sentence. The machine has discrete parts, meaning separate. Discreet means careful and unobtrusive. Example sentence. Please be discreet when discussing this, meaning careful. 9. Counsel and counsel. Council means a group of people elected to make decisions. Counsel means advice or guidance. Example sentence: I need counsel on this matter, meaning advice. 10. Peace and peace. Peace means a state of tranquility. Example sentence: I love living in peace, meaning tranquility. Piece means a part of something. Example sentence: Can I have a piece of cake? Meaning a part. And that's it. Mastering confusing words, rhyming words, and word pairs in English takes practice. But with these examples and explanations, you'll be well on your way. Remember to watch more videos on our channel for more English learning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.